Moeletsi Mbeki is suing the Mail and Guardian newspaper for 20 million rand. He alleges that the paper published 2 wrongful and defamatory pieces about him. He will also be laying a charge with the press ombudsman. He joins us now to tell us more. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for coming to speak to us.
Afternoon.
Why do you feel that this paper has defamed you?
Well, we had to get rid of an employee who was disobeying the orders of the board of trustees of a company which I'm chairman of. He tried to convene a press conference when he had been told not to convene a press conference. He went ahead and released false information about a research study that we had undertaken of COSATU shop stewards. So when we put him in front of a disciplinary committee, he ran away and resigned, and then wrote a scurrilous letter that I'm having dirty B-BBEE deals with one of the affiliates of COSATU, which is the National Union of Metal Workers of South Africa. I have no such a B-BBEE deal. He accused me of being hypocritical for denouncing B-BBEE while having these corrupt B-BBEE deals. I have no B-BBEE deals. There are no B deals between 2 black companies. So it is an attempt very clearly to try and defame me and the trade union and COSATU that I was working with. So professionalism in the media is paramount. The Mail and Guardian editor has to understand that even if his friends tell him that Moeletsi is corrupt, he has to prove it. He can't just publish it.
Mr. Mbeki, let's delve a little deeper into this research study or this survey that you talk about with regards to the shop stewards and what exactly that survey showed. Are the shop stewards against President Zuma being re-elected?
No, this was the lie that he put out, that the shop stewards were against President. The actual findings of the survey was that majority of the surveys supported, of the shop stewards supported Jacob Zuma.
When will this survey be released? Has it been released? When will it be released? Will we have access to it?
Of course, the survey is public. We are in the process of trying to analyze. It's a very big study. It's over 1,000 shop stewards. Questionnaire that runs into 25 pages. So we are in the process of having to analyze the survey. We're hoping that March, April it will be finalized and it will be available to everyone. Nobody's interested in running a survey, spending a lot of energy, and then lying about it.
Mr. Mbeki, is it true that you have business dealings or proposed business engagements with NUMSA?
Yes, of course. I'm part of a consortium with NUMSA, but there are many other companies that are involved in it, and we are buying or have proposed to buy shares in a steel company which employs a lot of NUMSA members. Okay. So NUMSA wants the company to survive so that its members can keep their jobs.
And with regards to your personal feelings about COSATU, can I ask you what your personal feelings are in terms of their effectiveness, considering that they are a member of the Tripartite Alliance?
Well, I worked for COSATU for 3 years in the early 90s, so maybe I'm not completely an unbiased observer. If I were the leaders of COSATU, I wouldn't affiliate to any political party because I think it constrains them from representing much more strongly their own interests. But that's not a decision for me to make.
Mr. Mbeki, we spoke to Nick Dawes earlier, and he said that he was surprised by your claim, and he feels very confidently that nothing will come of it. So I ask you, where to from here for you and your legal team? Do you have a court date set?
We don't have a court date yet, but that's what the legal team is trying to get. Nick Dawes thinks that he has all the answers to the world's problems. He is saying I'm a hypocrite about B-BBEE. I have written a book that encompasses B-BBEE, and I have denounced B-BBEE. This book has been translated to Chinese. A university in Mexico is looking at translating the book to Spanish. So you can't just write any old nonsense you feel about just because your informant is your friend and you think you should publish any old nonsense. We want professionalism from our media in this country so that the citizens of South Africa trust it and the citizens of the world trust what the media of South Africa is doing.
I thank you very much for your time, sir. Moeletsi Mbeki joining me in studio.